47 minutes. Small gift series. It is now raining here. After 1 year you will get
Delhi also raining.
Chief, nice to see you again. Congratulations. Excellent speech. Good to see you. Really was. Thank you for coming. Just a spot. Sonny, thank you for coming.
National anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे
Ladies and gentlemen, with this we come to the end of this function.
Mr. Chief Justice of India, Mr. Balakrishnan, speaking for judgesplotforplot.com, www.judgesplotforplot.com. It's been founded to protect the interests of the bureaucrats and the officers who are always been at the receiving end. To come to the point of your walk the talk on an electronic media, there were 3 points you mentioned. The point number 1 deals with that about the corruption in judiciary. You admit that it may be there, but it is invisible. The second, you have admitted if there is corruption in judiciary, the message to the people goes that the judgments are being purchased, or justice is being purchased. In this context, in the third you said, and if the corruption is found, it is difficult to haul them up or punish them, because the impeachment proceedings what took in V. Ramaswamy Supreme Court judges corruption cases, wherein the Parliament utterly failed. Now here is a case, Mr. Chief Justice. The website contents are in this CD being couriered to you. The CDs also have another label which deals with the N. Venkatachala, the Lokayuta institutional corruption. Now, and what it contains in the website is also narrated with the interviews with the A.T. Ramaswamy and so many other speeches and our constitutional commentaries to guide you. Now, in this case, we have used, because as you said, detection is difficult. We, on behalf of Center for Investigation and Prosecution of Corrupt Judges of India, have investigated this scam that for a plot of land, judges are ready to sell the justice and the judgments. they are ready to violate every law, and the government allows for the judges to violate the laws. Now, for a plot of land, if the judgments are being given away and sold away, you can imagine the depth and width and height of the corruption in judiciary. In this case, from Chief Justice of India, M.N. Venkatachala, S. Rajendra Babu, about 800 plus judges are involved. Now, they have taken dozens of judgments in developing 193 acres of land. They have violated not only the law, they have taken by themselves the judgments as a High Court judges. Appeals were dismissed in the Supreme Court, though they were bona fide. They have violated those judgments and are being heard by the very High Court, Karnataka High Court, Justice Ram Mohan Reddy and Billappa bench, and they are continuing to hush it up, which are being couriered to you for to see that you get the case transferred from Karnataka High Court and to hear it either by Supreme Court itself with the larger bench of 11 or 13 judges, so that the facto factum are come to the limelight of the pathetic condition this India is being made to reach by the Indian judiciary. Now, coming to Venkatachala and Karnataka Lokayukta, as he has hushed up the scam, as the CDs and website are being so well promoted and lakhs of people have visited, in Karnataka anarchic system is prevailing, lawlessness, chaos condition, and because this the judicial layout which is formed like a slum has become model for developers, and because of which India Poise is being done by Times Now, one of the news channel, to see that the Bangalore is invigorated and brought back to the fame what it was, like a IT city or BT city or so many other things, like a city of greens or greener city. Now, we request you, Mr. Chief Justice of India, very humbly, though my two sons are the owners of that website and we are hauled up having told the truth to the Lokayukta and we are acquitted, it is our sincere request to, in your tenure nearing to 3 years, that as the child you were very happy to be associated with the judiciary and lot of respect for the judges. So we expect you as an Indian citizen that the constitution and the laws violated by these judges should be hauled up by your judiciary as the Constitution of India and the other laws dictate. And we also request you to direct the Chief Minister to initiate the criminal contempt and penal prosecution of those judges to prove that yes, the idiom that be you ever so high, law is above you goes to all the people, that here was a Chief Justice, here is a judiciary wherein they do not mind punishing their own judges itself. And this is a fit case, and this is the only case after the Constitution came into existence, or otherwise another judge was impeached by the Constituent Assembly way back in 1948-49. After that, this is the only case wherein a collective 800 judges from top to bottom, from Chief Justice to the magistrates, from across the Chief Justice of different high courts, is being presented to you.